How to run Google Ads for Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can run Google Ads for Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on Shopify, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a Google Ads account. We're also going to install the applications right here. So come over here onto the left hand side, click on app, and go ahead and search for Google, and it'll pop up right here. Go ahead and install it. Now while that installs, all right, we also want to create the account on Google Ads as well, and we want to link them. So we're first going to go ahead and install it. As you can see, it's already installed. We can go ahead and connect it. So come over here onto Google Ads right here, ads.google.com, and you're going to also start and get started from there. You can also get started right here. Just want to set up Google Ads over here, looking for Google Analytics. You can set up your Google account, and over here you can disconnect it, connect your account, connect your Google Merchant Center, and everything else. Here you will have a store. You can also create a new one as well. So since it's already connected from here, it will ask you, but I already did that. We already connected it. I'm also going to go ahead and sign in on here as well. And next we want to connect the merchant account. Let's go ahead and create a new one. We're going to create a new merchant account. There we go. A new merchant account has been created. Give it a couple of seconds. And now that that's created, you can see over here, check your online store requirements. You can add a valid payment method, all right, add a refund policy, and confirm that you've added everything. You can do all of this on Google Merchant as well when you create a store, but you can go ahead and do it like this one. So you click it, it'll open up over here. You can add the payment settings over here. If you click on payments, you can choose a provider. You can go with manually as well and click on save. You can add a manual payment method over here, like a bank deposit or a cash on delivery. So I'll just say cash on delivery. And then you can go ahead and click on activate cash on delivery. There you go. Boom. We got a payment method. All right. So we should be good to go. A valid payment method, create an online store. Now to add a refund policy. Usually Shopify has its own refund policy right here. No policy set. You can click on it, open it up, and insert a template like this one. I'll just go ahead and do this just because why not? Since this is an example video, we'll also add a return policy as well. I believe I did that. And we'll also confirm that you've added the contact info as well. All right. And also terms and services, it'll ask for me. So I'll just insert a template just because why not? Get this out of the way. Shipping policy as well. You can set that yourself. I don't think there's a template for that. And then we have the contact info over here, which is required. So you can see over here, confirm that you've added your information. So over here, let's go back and click on add contact information. So contact information is required on your website if you're selling in the European Union. So add that over there. So trade name, phone number, email address, physical address, VAT number, VAT trade number, all of that. So make sure you add everything, and then you go ahead and click on publish, and there you go. Your store policy has been sealed. Click on over here, click on confirm that you've added everything. Click on confirm. Everything looks good over here. Click on I agree over here. I don't want to receive any messages, so I'll just simply do that. Click on agree. We've now completed our online store setup. Click on complete setup, and we should be good to go. There we go. Over here, we've got approved, pending, and not approved. And we can advertise your product with Google Ads over here. To start advertising, you need to add products and wait until they've been approved. So let's go ahead and do that. Come over here onto the left-hand side, click on products. We have a few products already, but I don't think they approved it yet. So let me go back and check. Come down over here. Over here, we can turn on email notification. I don't want that. Reimage, no, I don't want that either. Set up required cookie. We can always set that up as well. Let's go ahead and click on accept. That looks good. Everything looks good over here. Show cookies. Click on save. I believe we should be good to go because this is how it looks like, right? Looks pretty nice. And yeah, let's go back, close this up, go back to Google and YouTube. So this is how it is, right? You just got to set everything up. I believe this looks good. Click edit variant or click edit bulk edit products. You can do all of this as well, but I'm just doing this over here because why not? It's just easier, and the application is just one place. You can always do this later, but yeah, this is the inventory. This is my product. I've added shoes, but it should appear but I don't understand why the other products aren't appearing. Maybe it's because I used a AutoDS to import them. Maybe that's why, but it's fine. We do need to get started over here. The paid plan, of course, but that's fine. Once the product are approved, we should be good to go. It may take up to an hour for product to sync, so we should come back and check it later just in case. So while that happens, you can come over here onto your campaign or Google Ads. As you can see, I've already set everything up. It looks like it's over here, but let me go ahead and click on create a new campaign. and we can reactivate this over here. Your account isn't active yet. We'll just reactivate it later, but you can click on reactivate and set everything up, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and create a new campaign. I just wanted to show you, right? So when you come over here, click on create, it's going to ask you to choose your objective. You either go with sales, lead, traffic, website, and other options. We want sales, right? So we'll come over here, click on sales. Conversion goal, group your existing conversions to improve your campaign performance. I don't know if we should go with that, but we'll just leave. I believe it really wants me to go ahead and yeah, there we go. Leave it. So this is the one that we want. We could go with this one. I don't think we need this. We can remove the purchasing goal, but we can create a campaign without a guidance as well. So you can choose your own option you want. So totally depends on you as well. I would go with this one since it gives you a little bit more options. So then you select the campaign type. So you can go with search, performance, demand gen, display, video, app. So you can see these are like different placements of your application. So search would be, for example, if you searched for a specific type of product, ads will pop up in the first 2 sentences. Performance, reach your audience across all of Google with a single campaign. Different pages, different websites will contain different ads on different locations. These will have YouTube ads on their page. So for example, not on YouTube videos. So for example, on YouTube, the application, like random applications presented underneath a video or right next to a video as an ad, display as well in different shopping websites and video. So select whichever application you want. Let's say we want search one, right? And then we should be good to go. Click on continue. We have website visits. Add your website over here. I'll open the website up in another tab so we can go ahead and copy the link, paste it over here and click on continue. So campaign name, you could go with any name you want. I'll just go with AD Astra, click on continue. We already have this option, which is the draft one, but we'll click on start new. And this is going to create a new drafting. So here we have the bidding. We want the conversion. That's the one that we want. Set a target goal if you want to. And then you have customer acquisitions. Adjust your bidding to help you gain new customers. All depends on you. But we'll click on continue. As you can see right here on the left hand side, we have a bunch of different options. So we've got network, location, languages, audience, and we can go ahead and get started with this one. So here you set up your audience, your location. Make sure it's not too narrow, it's not too broad, right? You can see it's all countries and territories. We don't need that. We need to enter another location, like a specific location, like a city, country, region. So we'll go with New Zealand, or actually we'll go with New York in New York City, right? We'll go with this one. We'll go with include, and this is the one that we want. So we should go with this one, and then we can enter the language and click on next. Then we have keywords, specific keywords that make your product service unique. So here you got to go ahead and add a keyword that is similar to your website, similar to the product that you are selling. Basically describe the product or service that you want to advertise over here, right? So you can go ahead and generate it. It's very, very important that you do this, right? Since I'm selling shoes, I'm going to go ahead and add that. And after hitting the generate button, it's going to go ahead and generate everything for us. So you can see right here, this is the AI doing its thing, adding everything over here on the right hand side, giving it what we want, what type of shoes we're selling, the website, everything. So over here is the ad group. We'll go ahead and close that up, end chat, no worries, and open this up right here. So here we go, everything set up. It set up keywords, it set up everything, website, URL, heading, headlines. So these are some of the things that we need to go ahead and do. But other than that, it did everything else, right? So you can see right here, enter keyword. So you can see right here, ad strength, it's incomplete. We got to add a headline. We got to include popular keywords, make the headline unique, and make sure that the description is unique as well. And then it's going to show us an example or a preview of the ad over here. And once that's done, you should be good to go. So it's pretty simple. Rest of this is just setting up your ads. All you got to do is just come over here, install the application like Google and YouTube, set everything up, import everything, make sure the products are synced, and then you can go ahead and get started with the Google ad settings over here. So there you have it. This is how you do it. This is how you run Google ads for Shopify. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.